Hey, what's up everyone? Are you ready to dive into the epic world of Black Myth Wukong, only for the game to crash on you constantly? It is a huge problem that can completely ruin the experience. But don't worry, I'm going to guide you through some of the best fixes to get you back on your journey. First, let us have the most basic fix. A full restart of the game and your console or PC can resolve temporary glitches and memory leaks, so make sure to do this first. Ensure your game is fully patched. Steam and Epic Game Store will typically download updates automatically, but you can manually check for them. This is a big one. Both PCs and PS5 can overheat when playing a graphically intensive game like Black Myth Wukong. If your console or PC tower feels hot to the touch, it could be throttling its performance to cool down, leading to crashes. Make sure your device has plenty of ventilation and isn't blocked by anything. An overheated system is a major source of instability. Outdated graphic drivers are a major cause of crashes in a graphically demanding game like this. Head to the NVIDIA or AMD or Intel website and download the very latest drivers for your GPU. A clean installation is often the best way to go to avoid any conflicts with old files. Lastly, you can use the Run as Administrator method to have the prioritized processor on your PC or PS5. Hopefully, one of these solutions help you fix the crashing issues and you're back on your journey. If not, you may have to consider a full reinstallation as a final resort.